In this video, I will be showing you how to create a PDF in Canva. Let's get started. We begin right here on the main Canva homepage. To start creating a PDF document, I want to find a clean and professional layout to work with. I navigate over to the left navigation sidebar and click on Templates. On the Templates page, I click inside the top search bar, type in Resume Template, and select the search suggestion to load the full results page. A wide variety of resume templates appears on screen. I scroll down to inspect the available layouts and select a clean design titled Blue and White Minimalist Graphic Designer Resume. A preview modal opens displaying detailed information about the template, so I click Customize this template to open the document directly inside the editor. Once the canvas loads inside the editor, I can immediately start editing the text elements to personalize the resume. I click directly onto the main header text box that displays the name Henrietta Mitchell. I highlight the text, clear it out, and type in Sarah Thompson instead. I then click on other text sections to review the layout. Next, I need to replace the default profile picture with my own uploaded photo. I head over to the left sidebar and click on the Uploads tab to open my media gallery. I find the headshot I want to use, click and drag it over to the canvas, and drop it directly onto the existing photo frame, which instantly swaps out the old picture while preserving the frame layout. Now I want to customize the design's accent color to better match my preferences. I select the vertical color shape on the left side of the canvas and click the color tile in the top toolbar. In the color panel, I select the color picker tool and test different shades of blue until I find a rich tone that looks clean and sharp on the page. With all of my edits completed, it is time to export the document as a high-quality PDF. I move my mouse cursor up to the top right corner and click the Share button. In the drop-down menu, I select Download. Canva automatically defaults to the PDF standard file format, which is ideal for digital sharing. Everything looks good, so I click the purple download button, and after a few seconds, the PDF file is saved directly to my computer. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to create a PDF in Canva.